Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an essential cleaning guide that will help you keep your mattress protectors in pristine condition. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of how to effectively wash and maintain your mattress protectors. So, let's get started. Importance of mattress protectors and hygiene. Before we dive into the cleaning process, let's talk about the importance of mattress protectors and maintaining good hygiene. Mattress protectors act as a barrier against spills, stains, dust mites, and allergens. By keeping them clean, you can ensure a healthier sleeping environment and extend the life of your mattress. Let's move on to the cleaning process. Preparing for the wash. To start, remove the mattress protector from your bed and gather the necessary supplies. You'll need a washing machine, mild laundry detergent, stain remover, if necessary, and a gentle fabric softener. Check the care label on your mattress protector to ensure you follow any specific instructions provided by the manufacturer. Next, if there are any visible stains on the mattress protector, it's time to tackle them. Apply a small amount of stain remover to the affected area and let it sit for a few minutes to penetrate the stain. Afterward, it's time to prepare the washing machine. Set the water temperature to warm or cold, depending on the care instructions. Avoid using hot water, as it may damage the waterproof or protective coating of the mattress protector. Add the appropriate amount of mild detergent and fabric softener to the machine. Washing the mattress protector. Now that everything is ready, it's time to wash the mattress protector. Place the protector into the washing machine and start a gentle or delicate cycle. This will ensure that the fabric is not agitated too much during the wash. While the cycle is running, take a moment to clean the mattress itself. Vacuum the surface to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Once the washing cycle is complete, remove the mattress protector from the machine. Take a quick look to ensure that all stains have been successfully removed. Drying and maintaining the mattress protector. Now that the mattress protector is clean, it's time to dry it. Avoid using high heat or direct sunlight, as it may damage the fabric. Instead, opt for a low heat setting in your dryer or air drying outdoors if weather permits. Once the protector is dry, make sure to check the care label for any additional instructions. Some protectors may require a specific temperature setting or additional steps for proper maintenance. Putting the mattress protector back. With the mattress protector clean and dry, it's time to put it back on your mattress. Ensure that the protector is properly aligned and fits securely. Smooth out any wrinkles or creases to ensure a comfortable and seamless fit. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to wash and maintain your mattress protector. By following these steps regularly, you can ensure a cleaner, healthier sleep environment for years to come. Thank you for watching our video on how to wash mattress protectors. We hope you found this guide helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more cleaning tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Until next time, sleep tight and stay clean.